I'm also a Catholic. Um, Nag-aano pa ako, nagle-lector, nagko-commentator, tapos even a part of the choir and even doing ang tawag dito, doing some during Christmas, I portrayed already as Mama Mary.
Oh,
Oh
wow!
my God.
Now, ikaw na. Mama Mering
Yeah,
Pangoilo.
pero that was small lang 'yon sa maliit na baryo namin.
So, ako
Ah,
makasalitang Mama Mering Pangoilo. Parang ako hindi Pangoilo. Ako
ayun.
naman si Joseph. Si
So,
Joseph Pangoilo.
so yun, so how it started na I shift my faith from being Catholic to Christian, being a Christian, born again Christian actually, is when I started reading the Bible, um, there are messages there na it conflicts my understanding of my Catholic culture, or what kung ano yung
Nakagisnan.
nakagisnan ko. So, hindi naman ako basta-basta nag-change. Tinanong ko naman muna yung
So, hindi ganyan
yung pare.
Hindi ganyan na itsura mo before.
Anong ito?
Sabi mo mag-change eh.
Oh.
Okay,
So,
sorry.
hindi naman ako nag-shift ng parang from Catholic bigla-bigla na lang, lipat basta. Naging process yung sa akin kasi verify ko, kinonfirm ko bakit hindi siya nagtutugma. So, doon na siya nag-start sa akin na nagsisimula ako magtanong. So, basa ng Bible. So, it started with reading your Bible. And then, nung nakalipat ako sa my last employer bago ko pumunta dito ng Canada, doon merong born again Christian na ang tawag doon, gathering on the workplace. So I was invited. Tas doon ko na laman na the reason why the Lord is reaching out to you is actually, apart from knowing Him more, is to have a relationship talaga. It's not actually the religion, kahit saan kang religion, but the most important thing is having a relationship with Jesus Christ, with the Lord, with